It's kind of my privilege now to kind of do a little bit of background, a little landscape on the election and some of the things that come about here. And I want to remind myself, I had a discussion just this morning with Mark Siegel of GE, and it reminded me of an experience that I had in 2009. In 2009, we were employed at Health and Human Services, and our job ended at noon on January 20th when the inauguration occurred. It was quite important for me that I wanted to see the inaugural speech and kind of all of that clamor, and I've been living right down in the middle of the bubble. I've been right in Washington, D.C. We left our apartment, my wife and I, on the 17th and started to drive across the country. And I had in my pocket, or with me, a FedEx envelope in which I was going to put my parking pass, my BlackBerry, and all the rest of that, and I was supposed to do it at noon on January 20th. And we got as far as Kansas when the inaugural speech was about to start, and so I went into a Walmart. And I stood in the entranceway where there was a television. And I watched this speech with great interest, and I realized that the heartland of America who shops at Walmart was not nearly as interested in this speech as I was. As these people just kind of walked by and walked out, they would stop for about 15 seconds and move in, and I realized that I really had been in the Beltway bubble. And I think everybody in this room has that mentality about this. We are all fixed on this election. We watch it. We have our fingers on the pulse. We kind of anticipate every moment of it. But this election is about a lot of those Walmart shoppers who are going to have to get motivated to go and vote in this election.